Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course we are Friday, March 22nd, and 2019. And of course I get daily requests of when is the April 2019 update, or when is 1903 going to be released. So here's the thing. It is obvious that next week we are in the last week of March. The build version, or the version of Windows 10 that we have as insiders is 1903. That's March of 2019. So I expect that we will have in the next week officially achieved RTM. So RTM means that we will have the real deal. What is April 2019 update? And of course, that also means that what's coming up is there's a very high chance that next week will be my full review of the April 2019 update. And of course, we'll start posting videos of all of the new features, how to use them. And of course, that is something that a lot of you want to see. So we'll be looking at what you guys will actually get soon. Now, a lot of you have actually been reporting that you have received the version 1809, the October 2018 update, in the past 2 weeks. I think Microsoft is kind of pushing that really, really fast to try to get as many people there before we move on. When will this April 2019 update arrive to your computers? Well, first of all, let's hope that there's no big or major bugs like the October 2018 update or even the April 2018 update. That's the first thing we'll have to look at, because that's the first thing we want to know. Is it going to be a buggy update? We don't want to have that. We had 2 updates that weren't that great. It's time Microsoft really pushes something that will work fine on PCs. Of course, I'm the one that will be showing you guys all of this. I'll be upgrading my main computer, the one I use here to make these videos, at the update, at the latest April 2019 update, when it is official that we got the real deal. So I'll be, of course, talking about my experience in upgrading, and we will be looking at what's going to happen. But if all goes well, if nothing bad is going on with this April 2019 update, it's going to start rolling out sometime in April. Possibly around Patch Tuesday of April 2019. That means it's going to start rolling slowly. Some people will have it right away. They'll be able to see it, and they're going to download it and install it on their PCs. These are the PCs that Microsoft knows it's going to work well on. And then they're going to probably do that moment where they say seekers are going to get it. Seekers, which is that term that he used, that if you actually manually check Windows Update, it's going to appear in your Windows Update if your computer's compatible. Because that's very important. Some people were telling me the other time, well, you know, I'm a seeker. I went I clicked Windows Update and it didn't show up. Yeah, because telemetry tells them if your machine is ready or not to get it. And if something is wrong, if something isn't right, they're not going to push it. So that's why some seekers didn't even see it appear, even if they tried to get it. And if that does happen, don't force it. Don't go to the website and download it. It's just wait for it. Always wait for these feature updates, because they're big. They do a lot of changes. It's better to wait for that to arrive naturally to your PC than to actually force it. The media creation tool, when will that be updated? Well, the day that it's official, that it starts rolling out to everybody, that day in April, the media creation tool on that day will also be updated. That means that if you want to have the October 2018 update image, do it now, because it's going to disappear from the website at that point, and you won't be able to get it anymore. So if you want to have it just in case, so you can go back, make sure that you download it right now. And the image of April 2019 update will appear sometime in April when the release is actually official. So it's coming. It's very, very close. We are within a week for insiders, within the next 2 to 3 weeks for pretty much everybody else. And it's going to start, of course, updating slowly. So not all of you are going to see it on the first day. Depends on your computer and how compatible it is with the latest update. And at some point, hopefully if everything goes well, most of you will be on this update later this year on Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.